Quiet, Sayan, ha? Just wait. Quiet, Sayan.
Don't disturb, ah.
Okay, you look.
Gail, sign.
Oh, see?
Closer to the camera
Wait a
side.
minute.
Sign. You thumbs up.
Wait.
Show your face.
You see, you look at the chicken.
Gail. Show your thumbs up, right? So, teacher Ami. No. Gail, look at.
There's an egg hatching. Oh, you see, oh. You see? Over there, oh.
Ano yan? Bakit kulay hindi puti?
Oh. Wait.
Parang laman.
Oh, see, oh. Oh, here. Kita niyo yung white?
Oo.
There's a white. Ah,
Oh,
see?
yeah.
Okay.
Ah, that's amazing.
Oh, look at
wow.
that.
Oh, touch it, Ate Gail, Zion.
No, you touched the egg.
It's ewy.
No.
No, it's okay. No, it's not.
You smell.
Anong,
No,
ano,
hindi. Oh, no. Okay.
Ang init pa nga. Try to touch it. Oh, try.
Okay,
No.
you see?
Kinsey, Gail.
See?
Oh,
May
look.
batak
Wow.
You see?
an egg. It's got an egg. The chicken got an egg. It's our egg chicken.
Once a day lang yan, be. Tomorrow again.
Ay, ibig sabihin tomorrow talaga?
Oo.
Araw-araw?
Tomorrow again. And then, pagkalabas siya ng egg niya, mamaya iingay na siya. Eh,
Sa isa
pakita mo
lang.
sa kanya yung mga egg niya, yung 3 days.
Isa-isa lang, no?
You see?
Oh,
Dito
amazing
yan.
ah.
Sayin, look. Ano?